What's up, YouTube? Today I will be teaching you how to make more slime. I just posted a slime video like a couple minutes ago. Go watch that one. This is going to be the one with a different shampoo. Swap. This one was a body wash. This one is a shampoo. Okay, we're going to pour we're going to make it up like to right here. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, I will put this on pause and I will be stirring for a very long time. You might want to stir for like 30 minutes, so yeah, I'll be back. So this is actually coming in together very good. As you can see, now I think it can be time to add our salt to make it officially slime. We want to take just little tiny pinches of salt. Just a little bit. Just one little bit, and you can stir. If it's still not slime yet, don't worry, you can still add more salt. If it turns watery, that means you've added too much salt. But mine is turning in fine. I'm gonna add one more pinch of salt. If it does get watery, just add more shampoo. And yeah, I'm gonna put this on pause. You're gonna keep on stirring until you have your complete mixture. So what you wanna do after you're done mixing, you want to put it inside the freezer. So while that is freezing, I'll just keep you guys entertained. Shiny blue. You can buy these at the ice cream truck for $5. And if you guys want, I will be making a toothpaste slime and some more shampoo slime, lip gloss slime, and lotion slime. So stay tuned for those. And let me put this on pause while it's inside the freezer. This has been in the freezer for 15 minutes. You don't want your slime to be like this, so I would suggest adding stirring more. Now let's see how it is. Ooh. Now this one looks like slime. This one looks like slime. It feels like slime. You see, nothing got on my fingers. It is a beautiful slime. Wow. I would play with this with my hands, but it's really sticky. If you don't want to be that sticky no more, I will suggest using some contact solution. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Bye.